Welcome back, friends. The third chapter, that is the indices and cube root of the 8th standard. घातांक आणि घनमूळ. Friends, in our day-to-day life, we use the term square, cube, square root, cube root. So what is the square? Square means when we multiply any number by itself, then the product is known as the square of that number. Suppose we have to consider 3. 3 into 3, that is 3 square. Square of 3 is 9. Okay. Similarly, when we take any number of times in multiplication, then we write that number in the form of index or indices. For example, we have to take 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. How many times 5 is taken? 4 times. Obviously, we have to write this 5 to the power 4. 5 to the power 4. In this 5 is known as the base and 4 is known as the index. 4 is known as the index. And this number 5 to the power 4, this is known as the index form. This is index form. When a number is written in the form of base and its index, base and its index, then it is known as the index form. Friends, in previous standard, we had studied the laws of indices. What are the laws of indices? See the laws of indices now. If m and n are the integers, then a to the power m into a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. Means what? The base of the index form number are same and they have the multiplication, then there is the addition of their indices. Second rule, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equals to a to the power m minus n. If the base of the index form numbers are same and there is a division between two numbers, then the subtraction of their indices means a to the power m minus n. If in bracket a into b and m power of that bracket means what? The m is a common index of a and b. Then we separate it, a to the power m into b to the power m. Fourth one, a to the power 0 equals to 1. Means if the index of any number is 0, then its value is 1. Next one, a to the power minus m means index of any number is negative, then we take the reciprocal of it and the index becomes positive, means a to the power minus m equals to a 1 upon a to the power m. Next one, a to the power m bracket complete to the power n means index of the index is given, then the multiplication of the indices takes place. Means what? A to the power m to the power n equals to a to the power m into n. Now next one, a upon b to the power m means obviously m is common in between both, then we have to separate it. a to the power m divided by b to the power m. Last one is that a upon b to the power minus m, then the index becomes plus, but we take the inverse of the base. Means a upon b to the power minus m equals to b upon a to the power m. So the index becomes positive. Okay. Now the meaning of the number where index is in rational number form. Okay. Now the index is in the form of 1 upon n. Students, we know that if the square of any number is written like this, suppose the square of 9 is 9 square, square of 11 is 11 square, square of 5 is 5 square. Then the square root. Square root is written by showing the index 1 by 2. For example, square root of 9. Square root of 9 is written as under root 9, but the index is taken as 9 to the power 1 by 2. Means when we take the root, then that index is taken as its inverse. Okay. Similarly, when we take the square root of 4, that is 4 to the power 1 by 2. When we take the root, then that index goes to the denominator, means its inverse takes place. Similarly, when we consider the cube, so what happens? A cube is written like this, and cube root of A. Cube root means like this in the sign, and by using the index a to the power root, that is the cube root. Cube means the third root, a to the power 1 by 3. Okay. Generally, the nth root of a is expressed as a to the power 1 by n. A to the power 1 by n. Okay. Now we take the practice set 3.1. The question first. Listen. Express the following numbers in index form. The fifth root of 13. Whose root is there? The number is 13. Fifth means 5. But it is root. So 5 is taken as 1 by 5. Here sixth root of 9. Whose root is there? Ninth. Which root? Sixth. 6, but it is root. So this 6 is taken as 1 by 6. Square root of 256. 256 is square root. Square means index is 2 and root is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now question number 2. Write in the form of nth root of a. Nth root of a. This is 81 is suppose a, and this 4 is n. 1 upon n means which root is that? Fourth root of 81. So we write this fourth root of 81. Similarly, 49 is a base and index is 1 by 2. 2 means square, but 1 by 2 means square root. So square root of 49. Square root of 49. Now 100 is a base and root is 1 by 9 means which root? 19th, and 1 by 19 means root 19th root of 100. 19th root of 100. Okay, in this way the sample examples of this practice set 3.1 are taken, and it is so easy. If root is taken, then we take that number at the denominator, means inverse of that number. Okay, after this 3.1 we stop at this stage, and we will see in the meet in the next video for the 3.2.